Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to highlight an install that I did this past week, and here is where I'm putting the stocking cap on. This person actually has alopecia, so to protect her privacy, I did not put her face on camera, and I didn't really show the extent of her alopecia. It is like towards the middle of her head, and it's a decent sized spot. So I just braided her hair back very gently because she does have enough hair to braid back, and I did 4 large braids going straight back, and then in the spot where the alopecia was, of course, I didn't put anything there. You'll see here that I have the glue down and the wig cap. I just did the ball cap method. I put the cap down and then I blow dried it on cool or cold, and then I started putting down 1 layer of the Ghost Bond. So here is when I actually did the install. I didn't go into great detail with this because really I just want to highlight the quality of this wig. I got this wig from ELVAHAIRWIGS, and as you guys remember, I did a review on them previously, and their wigs are awesome. Her wig, I believe, is 16 inches. I'll post a link to it, but it came pre-plucked. And the only thing I had to do to this wig is actually bleach the knots. And then outside of that, it didn't need any customization. She actually didn't want like baby hairs or anything, so I didn't have to cut any baby hairs into it. And the plucking on the hair was great. If you just look at that detail, the hairline is very natural. So I really recommend their wigs for anybody who is new at wearing wigs. The only issue she had was this wig wasn't necessarily big head friendly all over, especially on like the sides. She actually has quite long sideburns. They come down pretty far. So of course, that portion of her hair had to be left out. So you want to be careful when applying the wig on the sideburns. If you have long sideburns, you don't want to mix glue into that. So just be careful with your application there. Instead of applying the glue on her sideburns, I actually just used the black Got to Be Glued because that'll be more gentle and it can be removed with water instead of putting that glue on there. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys up close. So definitely recommend them. This is before it's even dried all the way and before any powder has been applied. So yeah, she did not have her actual face powder available. So we weren't able to put the powder on the wig in her exact color, but that's okay because once she purchases some powder that matches her skin tone, we can put that on at another time. But yeah, just wanted to highlight this wig. If you want more details on how I do my installs, feel free to check out another one of my videos that's more in depth. I can put them down in the description box. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.